All right, Christian. Are you ready to do this? All right.
Have some fun. Good looking car. That sound. You!
Both our cars got rejected because we went to the wrong event. Yeah. Oh my God. Aren't you from Germany? Isn't it like touching the ground already? E36, the stance, the color, yeah, it's pretty nice. E36.
That's what I have to do today.
Yeah, learn your beamers. Well, what do you think?
It's wide and lower.
It is. I love the stance.
That's something for you.
This is something for me.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. I love the headlights, right? So they delete the headlights so that the air can flow straight to the turbo. That is sick. How is it, Christian?
Good.
Delicious. Thank you, Christian, for the hot dog. Or is this a hot dog? Or
Sausage
what is
for breakfast?
Sausage for breakfast?
German bratwurst.
Yeah, what he said. Thank you, Christian. So Christian, did you learn more about BMWs today?
No, you didn't really teach me enough. But I will do my homework for next time.
Yeah.
and then I know everything, hopefully.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make another trip out.
You have to make a video for me.
Oh, of this video?
Audi and BMWs.
Okay.
All the different things.
Okay.
E46, C80, F90, whatever.
But you're from Germany, so you should know these kind of stuff.
No.
Okay, deal. I'll make you a video.
Who's checking out the Skyline?
Yeah. Oh shit, someone's checking out my Skyline. All right, what do you think, Christian? Was that a good event?
Nice little meet. Sun came out. We
Yeah.
had good bratwurst sandwich with sauerkraut and mustard. That was delicious.
Thank you,
Nice
Christian.
cars, good company.
Awesome. We'll have to do it again soon.
Yeah.